Hello guys, welcome to K1 Take Care. Yesterday I have changed the screen on the Samsung Z Flip4 and you can see his phone is on, but inside the screen is nothing. And if I reset the phone, let's have a look if you can reset it. I just holding the volume down on power. You can see the screen is coming up, Samsung Galaxy, but it's shut down, it's turned off after when his phone is fully booted. I know for like example, what is it, 875 Samsung, one of them cap is damaged. Now it's working, but sometime you see it's a stop now, and if I press it, if I close it and open it, is no display. It's on, phone is on, but it's nothing show and display now. So I know for other Samsung A series especially, is one of them covered and the screen is damaged. I need to replace it to go into work. But this one, I have contacted the manufacturer who sell the screen. The original screen I'm using, so recommended 100%. Honestly, I'm not sure if I can tell him his name, but I'm going to ask him if I can promote it his place, and if he give me agree, I'm going to tell next next video who is it that you can purchase your screen from him as well. So what he say, he got this magnet there. I have to take this magnet there. I have to take this magnet and put it here, replace it with this one. What is in it makes sense, honestly, but this is original screen and it's come with a magnet already. Okay, so let's have a look if I can turn the phone off. No, but what I can do, because this is the same function what I have here. If I close it, this is now closed, and if I open it, it's not making any difference. I don't think it's going to work. I don't think so, but we are going to do it anyway, because what I say, this is exact same what I'm doing. If it like that and close it and open it, there's nothing going to be changed here. Okay, so let's take it back off here again and replace the magnet and have a look how it goes. That one was easy. Okay. Oh no, I leave it like that, it's better. This magnet underneath there, that is the what is going to say to replace. So let me remove the again, I don't think, but maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm talking to the video, sorry. Talking to myself now. It's come in this position. So I'm going to disconnect the battery first. Alexa, stop. Okay, now let's take the screws out of here. If you look my other videos how I have changed this one, actually I have completely dismantled it to hold the phone. Of the end of the video is where to have a look in it, what is everything inside and it's how it's built. I hope I can do it without taking the main board out, but have a look. So this is the magnet was in there. Okay, we got the magnet out and you are going to put that magnet in there. So sorry guys, I have to serve the customer. So back here I have removed this magnet. Now I'm going to remove this magnet here.
Do you fix TV? No. No, TV.
So remove this one. Let's get it some sticky tape. Why you don't fix TVs? It's not too complicated, it's too much. The problem is as soon as you started to repair the TVs, they are accepting to do nearly for nothing. So double-sided sticker, put it in the right position, right way, how we take it out. Okay, so let's connect everything back in. How was it? I'm not sure. Should I close? Yeah, I'm going to close it anyway. Okay, let's put this one as well. The shield for the flexes. And honestly, if I turn it on, let me connect this one as well. I'm going to do it anyway. With all respect, I do not think, but if it works, I'll learn something new. Let me put some capillary screws here as well. I should put all the screws now. I'm doing it. The magnet there is pulling these screws away. So. And let it connect it. Okay, let's turn on. Have a look how it's going. Oh, sorry. That one was the magnet, the strong magnet actually. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, it looks like it's right. Wow. Guys, I cannot say anything. It's not making any sense. The magnet is there already. Magnet is magnet for me. You know what I mean? The magnet is there. And replace it with the original magnet and it's work. For me, not make a sense. But I say magnet is magnet, but its look is working. I learned something new, and I hope this video has helped you as well. If in case you got the same issues, that you know, use the original magnet. Thank you for person who let me know. Honestly, I didn't know that. I didn't know that you have to replace the magnet to go into flip fork. Okay, hope this video is help. And question, drop me comment. And if you know why is that one, because this magnet is the same function. It's not anything. Maybe it's strong. That is stronger. This not. I don't know. If you know why is that, please let me know. I appreciated your information. Thank you so much guys for looking. Hopefully see you next video. Take care. K1, take care.